Entered here when L period pulled back to this low volume node here. You can tell we're just kind of cycling between um, this big node. I think there's a possibility that we would push up and break this IJK level here. So entries at 95.50 right there. Be looking here, possibly we can't break basically this level. Definitely if we can't get up over this POC or something like that, then you close the trade. This starts to fade off into here, you close the trade. I'd give it somewhere in this area. You have H period down here. So if it breaks this H, it's probably going to try to work its way down here. You should see this push this back up into this big node. Stop I have on here now is 225. So basically right where I was talking. Should have added another one here. Just kind of late in the day and somebody was emailing me and I was talking to him about this, how we, got to this. This was the goal right here was the 4,400. Doesn't mean we won't get more today, but you could see that this was the obvious goal. And then it's just really tapered off since then. You had this G pullback and again, went for this 4,400. You can see how it's just, the momentum and aggressiveness has faded off. Even this, rebound with the GHI, this took a long time to get back up here. I have a tendency to lower my contract size once it starts slowing down like this. I think there's sometimes there's less of a chance of you know following through with moves, or I've got decent profit from this move here, so by this time I'm unless it's really moving, there's exceptions, but by this time I'm thinking wrapping it up. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. See where this target's at. going to be 29. $275. There, we're getting a little movement. I still want to watch this 4,400 area, see if they sell this, or it'd be really nice if we just bust right through here because we've been through it so many times. Gotta watch this level. I think you could protect this now. I'm not going to give it up this late in the day. Already taken the risk on it. There we came right to that 4,400. Take these brackets off so I can take one again if we get back up there. It's because it is reacting at this level. If we don't punch right through this, I'll take one of them right here. There's one. You go up and adjust the stop. Five minutes to the time period changes. I kind of wanted to be up here. I wanted this trade to be over before we switch time periods. There's a good chance we'll come back down in this area. I think I'll bring the stop up on this one. If we come down in here, I might have a chance to get a better entry, or things might look totally different and we're not getting through this 4,400. It's kind of a lot going on here because you have the POC here. We probably don't need this. But you have the 4,400, the POC, it's the middle of this node. Could move this target up You got the 100% of initial balance up there at 411. Say you moved us up to 409. Not really thinking it's going to get there, but you can move your stop up, instead. If we break this highs, you just move your stop up to here. And if uh, happen to break this, like I said, we'll move our stop up. And then if you keep going, good. If not, the stop will come, or it'll come back and take your stop out. See how much time we're spending at this 4,400. If I had more here, I'd sell them here also. It's 13 ticks. Well, 17 to the 4,400, 18. We've moved the stop up to here at this point. We're back to that 4,400. There's the M period. Move this up more. So now we're at this level here. You can watch, see what kind of reaction you're getting. It's going to be tough to get through there. You can see how the volume profile starts to fade off. If this, starts to take off, great. If it surprises me, if it comes down here, takes me out, that it would be 13 ticks. You could take it there for 5 points. Right there is my 27, 402.25. So if it pushes through here, I'm going to move that up to that 402.25. Let's keep creeping this up. Better mark that. really looks like it wants to break these highs. It's not coming back at all. Again, this isn't a realistic stop to stay in a trade. This is just, you know, I'll take that much. It's either going to go and give me more or it's going to come back and take me out there. We spend too much time here. I got to watch the clock, which I'm sure something will happen before then, but looks like it's pushing up. So I'll give it some room. But obviously, if you're really wanting to stay in this trade, that's too tight of a stop. It's not a realistic. If you were going to put your stop this close in a regular trade, I would say just take it because it's so close that it's probably gonna take you out. There it is pushing towards that high. See how it acts right here at the JKI high. Might get through there. Right at it. Said I'm going to follow this right up with my stop. If we do break those highs, we're over it now, but we got to break that E. I'm going to go to 225 if we can get there. Now we're over the E. Looks like it wants to break higher. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Yep. Probably going to take us out right here. It's 24 ticks. We'll take that. Look for sure like it was going to break here. So we took one at the, I think 399. And then we took one at 24 ticks. I think we got one 402, 470, 40, 401.75, something like that on the second one.